Hey, Riley. No. Say that, everybody. No. That's not very nice. Mwah. Should we start? Riley? Hey. Should we start the weapon chat? She's into nothing but trying to preen and everything else. Alright, we're going to start the weapon chat very shortly here. Right, Riley? Yeah. Yeah, I love you too. I love you too. Yes, I do. We'll be back in a minute, guys. Welcome to Northern Sparkles, Diamonds, and Hobbies, everyone. I'm Sparkles, and with me I have my guest of honor here, Riley. She started the episode, and so I'm now doing the proper intro. So if you're new here, then a huge welcome to you. So hopefully you like our channel, and if you are one of our returnees, thanks for stopping by. So today is the 30th of March, so the second last day of the month. We're almost to April, everyone. And right now it is overcast here in Ontario, Canada. And it's actually not that, Miss Nippy. We don't nip. We are actually underneath mild temperatures. So today is going to be a color and chat. So you're welcome to work on your current diamond painting, whips, or crafting or coloring or whatever you might be doing. You're more than welcome to do that, or if you'd like to listen in, that's okay too. So let's get on, and also don't forget to grab a snack and a drink or two, and let's get started. Right, Rylie? Shall we get started? Okay, so we have our fireplace running today, and on it is the Georgia peach orchard. You like the peach orchard? She says, "The heck with you." All right, so let's do our, what do you call? Yes, she needs a claw. She needs a declawing or something, because she has like really sharp claws. So it says, your past does not define your future. You have the power to create the life you desire. So we last did a coloring video a couple weeks back, because if you remember, last week was a shout out video, and there's only 3 or 4 more of those left. So I'm thinking this month, and then that'll be the end of that series, unless I come across another channel that I can possibly give a shout out to. So I don't want to give a shout out unless I have permission. There's a couple, like I said before, there's a couple of channels that I do not have, I don't think I have permission to shout them out, even though I could easily get them probably some subscribers. No nipping. So anyways, moving on. I do have I did put out a poll, and I will talk about that in a minute. So we're going to do a Bible verse, as I did not know how much coloring. I did not get too many. I got 2 pages, I think, done. And this is the one I actually got done for you guys out of the Bible one. That reads, "The joy of the Lord is your strength." And that is Nehemiah 8:10. And this was done back on the 19th of the month. Like I said, we haven't really done any coloring or anything like that for a long time. Like for the last 2 weeks, I did 2 pages, and then I did this one here on back on the 19th as well. And these are actually if you look closer, they're purple and silver, and there's some black in there, yes. But these are my school colors here in Hanover, Ontario. I went to JDSS here in the school, so that's the purple and white, or purple and silver. But however, we are not working in either of those today. So I had the poll out, and in the poll, the Cozy Vibes one today. So I went on Amazon. I got a whole bunch of different colors of markers again, and these are some of the ones I bought. This one here, like, I should have called you Shenanigans. So, I bought these ones here. They did not have the ones that I was kind of looking for. So I wanted to try these ones out, but I have a whole bunch of these new ones that I bought. Including for the month of April, I bought some pastel colors. So hopefully I'll get to trying them maybe next week. We'll see. Alrighty, so let's get into this one here. Nothing was new done in here. So let's find that coloring. Thinking of doing that one maybe a little bit, but stay cozy. I think we're gonna do Sparkle On, because that's kind of what this community is all about, isn't it? Sparkling on. And I'm just gonna use my new ones. I get this thing to lay flat. It's just, there we go. So what has everyone been doing lately? I haven't been doing a whole lot. To be honest with you guys, I had trouble picking up the diamond painting pen and the markers all week. And therefore I never got anything done. So I'm hoping to change that this week. There's lots to do this week. It is a short week for some people, as Good Friday is this Friday. So sorry about that. My little bird here, my little buddy bird, is kind of annoying me right now. Rylie, are you having fun? She must be having fun because... No, we don't nip. Quite the little nipper, this little girl. So this week is all about, as far as chores go, I'm hoping to get the kitchen cleaned up the rest of the way. I got the floor and everything done and sorted out, but I need to do other stuff like dishes and stuff. And if I get that done this week, that'll be perfect. Diamond painting wise, there's some videos that man, the ink takes forever to come out of these pens. There we go. So diamond painting wise, I do have one kitted up, which is my Rainbow Forest. I only got one line done on that. And I do want to redo, I want to get more of that done. And then I want to kit up my Look Art Celine canvas. So see how that goes. I'm hoping to get that one done and started. I still have my St. Patrick's Day one that I was working on in the whip and chat on Saturday. I still have that, and I would say not even 90% done. So I want to make a dent in that. I am hopelessly behind in videos, YouTube videos from my followers that I subscribe to. Because I just have not been feeling it all the last couple of weeks. and really the only thing that's kind of helped me through it, because I just, like, what would happen is I would pick up the dime painting pen, lay a few drills, and then I suddenly wouldn't want to do it anymore. So there's something is on my mind or something. I will get better, don't worry. So I watched a live stream from one of the major airports here in Ontario, Pearson in Toronto. Somebody was plane spotting. It is quite fun, you know, trying to guess the kind of the make of the plane, and the company that it's from and where it's from. Missy? No. So that kept my mind off some stuff. So I'm hoping to get back into the crafting and the YouTube this week. Should try to get some more coloring done as well. Like, it was just a horrible week, and I apologize to everyone that has subscribed to me. You know, the videos were not quality at all. Okay, you know what? Off. OFF. I'm so sorry, guys. So she is just a little bit on the nippy side. I know she likes to show love, but remind me to wear a scarf around her. I heard that in my ear. Thank you very much. So, yep, Thursday, I have a doctor's appointment in the afternoon, and then I will be going grocery shopping with my sister, because the stores will be closed on Friday. And now you like to cuddle. Let's see here. Let's do a friendly rainbow. Or a colorful rainbow, I should say. So as far as videos go this week, tomorrow I'm going to try to do another shout out video. And as usual, I probably will not tell you guys until you guys see it go up. Man, I hate these. Whenever you gotta shake them and then pump them so the dang, what do you call it? Ink has to come out. That's the only thing I hate about these markers. They're beautiful though. Alright, let's try an orange next. And then on Wednesday, because Lazy Retired Granny, the weekend retreat, or the the event in the village is anything to do with off-canvas stuff. I do have a couple of things I would like to unbox. So I will be doing that on Wednesday. You like having fights with my shirt, don't you? Mm-hmm. Oh, let's do a blue next. Because why not? Actually, changing my mind on that. We're doing green. Nope, changed my mind back. We're doing blue. So I think Friday I'll probably get into either Friday or Saturday, or I'll probably do a whip and shot with diamond painting. Just to see how I fared out. Haha. I don't mind Rylie, having Rylie on my shoulders, but she's quite the nippy little lady and full of, I guess you could say, personality. Like right now she's almost down to the table here looking at my coloring picture. Yeah, thank you for putting your tail in my face. That's lovely. You get down any lower, these guys, your fans are gonna see ya. You know. You having fun? I don't think you guys can see what she's doing, but I'm trying to color here, little Miss Muffin. What are you trying to do? I don't know if you guys can see that or anything like that, but she is literally almost down at the table now. Oh, she heard the bird outside for sure. So yeah, we're gonna be getting some pretty not so nice weather tomorrow. I think tonight, starting tonight. Well, I think tonight because there's a warm front coming in. I think they're calling for pretty severe weather tomorrow. I think they're saying severe storms likely, and I hope and pray that they don't cause any tornadoes, because these are supposed to happen at night, and I'm not very enthusiastic about nighttime storms. Can you get your tail off my coloring page? Thank you. Nippy. I'm pretty sure people don't want to appreciate to see your tail sitting on the thing here, my dear. Yeah, I've kind of run out of stuff to talk to yap about, but I figure bobbing your head up and down, aren't you? Yes, you are. You're preventing me from coloring, aren't you? Yes, you are. So I guess she's trying to tell me that it's time to go. So with that, everyone, we will be back to close out the episode. So don't forget to do all the YouTube stuff, like leave a comment or hit that subscribe button if you like the content, along with hitting the like button. Greatly appreciated. And we will see you all in a minute here to close out the episode. All right, we're gonna end the episode now. And this little girl here, I should have named her Shenanigans, because of all the shenanigans she's been doing throughout the whole video here, while sitting on my shoulder, right, Rylie? Right? Say goodbye. Say goodbye. All right, we'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.